Hey my people, come on. Ghana is producing their own vaccines. Now wait, chill. Ghana, that country. Actually, I want to stop talking about Ghana because I really want to start uploading my videos on Ethiopia. Because you know, for Ethiopia, I need to commit a whole year to talk about that country. They are the apple of my heart, of my eye. But Ghana is doing wonders. Trust me. The Time magazine rating of Ghana's capital Accra as the best place to visit is not overemphasized. And please, I promised you guys that I'm actually going to make a special episode on that, on why Ghana's capital actually came first in that ranking. But now, let's talk about Ghana's new vaccine center. Wow, it is yummy, yum, yum. Well, that's not the only story we are going to cover in today's episode, but we're also going to talk about Ghana's e-card. Ghana's e-travel. I think Ghana just found the E, which is more like an online thing, and now they are putting everything on. And man, you don't want to miss going to Ghana this particular year. And I'm going to tell you more on that. This is the Black Suit United Africa Rising channel. If you are joining me for the first time, my name is Pekwem Bernard Boerman. Welcome to the African Risers channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave your comment down below. We'll be right back. Alright, so guys, we are welcome back, African Risers. Now let me tell you that this episode is particularly brought to you by BRIDGEAFRIQUE. Yes, magazine. Well, the headquarters in China, but well, they have offices in Hong Kong and Nigeria. So well, it is the only Pan-African magazine that is trying to promote Africa and Pan-Africanism. You don't want to miss their February edition. Well, coming out very soon. Get yours for $7. Now let's move on. So Ghana has actually come up with a $35 million state-of-the-art facility, well, Atlantic Life Sciences Limited, a company that is registered under Ghana's One District, One Factory project. Man, now that facility is a sterile pharmaceutical plant for infusion, well, for eye drops, for vaccines, sterile injections, and general anesthetic drugs. This facility costed about $35 million US. That was financed by Ghana themselves, Ghana Exim Bank, and the Standard Chartered Bank. Well, the Ghana branch. So it means Ghanaians are now beginning to put their own resources into producing their own thing. Now I told you that Ghana has come up with One District, One Factory, which is set to actually produce over 200 factories. Manufacturers. This particular factory is set to actually employ more than 1,000 direct workers in the factory, from the biology department, the chemist department, pharmaceuticals, just name them, doctors, nurses, well, truck loaders, myself, people that will just go and blog about it. vlog about it and blog about, yeah, blog and vlogging. Yeah, even us. We are indirect workers, so even us, we don't count. But currently, it's actually employing about 350 people right now. Now, that is the Minister of Trade, Ghana's Minister of Trade and Industries, Honorable Alan K. Martin, yes, and the Deputy Ochibefi, inspecting that facility at La Pleku in Ningo, Pram. Well, Ghana is doing wonders. Well, you know, when the president actually went to the EU Parliament, he stated that Ghana is actually putting things in place to produce their own vaccines. And lo and behold, this facility is set to actually commence full operation in April, so it will be inaugurated around that same time. And right from then, the company is set to employ about 1,000 Ghanaians. Now I told you they are making about 250 and even more such factories in the country. So mind you, if each factory is employing about 1,000 people, multiplied by 250, how much do you get? So a lot of the Ghanaian youth, well, that is it. We don't want to talk much about it. When the facility is inaugurated, we will make a full episode, and hopefully I will be there to bring you live feed. All right, now let's move on to our second story. Now, before we move on to our second story, let me tell you that there's a lot of information that's going on the continent of Africa, and so sometimes you don't even know what to watch, what to think about, what's going on. Just subscribe and be here. This particular channel has come to stay, and we are committed to bringing you things that are happening on the continent, especially the positive ones that will bring you home I know a lot of Ghanaians in the diaspora, like myself, are afraid to go home because, yeah, the narrative is not good. We are committed to bringing you the positive ones. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Now, let's move on to the next. I told you that Ghana found the E, and now they are putting everything behind it. Ghana's vice president, well, the E man, the digital man, digitalization man, His Excellency Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia, yes, just launched the e-travel card for diplomats in the country. Now, I told you, there's a lot of corruption everywhere in the world, but Ghana's, man, oh man, especially when it comes to government officials and diplomats. Well, people can be traveling, and then you realize that, well, the particular occasion that I attended will need about 2 people, and then there's about 50 entourage. Yeah, this thing has it actually began since the 80s. Yeah, that has been our thing. And usually it's not just about the numbers, but even the per diem and how they are paid in cash. And when it comes to cash, man, I can give you 100,000 and I tell you it is 500,000, because yeah, the 400,000 we agreed to share. Now that is going to be no more. The e-travel card is said to be used as a medium of payment for all these diplomats for their per diem and the interest and everything. So if you are appointed by the government of Ghana to attend, you don't need to come and ask for cash or anything. We'll give you that card, and any money that we put in there is yours. You swipe, when it's finished, it is done. You finished it. Yeah, there's nothing like receipt, bring your receipt and everything. This is digitalized. That country, Ghana, I want to see it in 10 years. Man, oh man, they are e-licensing everything. Yeah, digitalization. And I like it. I think it's not going to stop corruption forever, but it is really going to do a big harm to corruption in the country. And I hope, yeah, other African countries learn to do that. And we've come to the age where we don't have to let, corruption be the narrative because we are using cash and because, yeah, there's a receipt somewhere. Man, what's the internet for? And Ghana is doing the right thing. Yeah, that is the president actually launching it, and you can see a lot of people are really impressed with this digitalization. You can see the audience. Yes, and that's the wife. That lady. All right, yeah, let's talk about the e-travel card. So yeah, that is Ghana, the launching of the e-travel card by the vice president of the country. Yeah. All right, so that will be all for today. We don't want to make it long. We just brought you what is going on the continent of Africa, especially Ghana, the new capital of the African Continental Free Trade Area. My name is Bakrin Bernard Boma. If you're new here, be part of the African Risers and subscribe, like, and share this video. I'll see you when I see you.